Michael, Payne, Rankins, Reese, Shuford. All of those are 8:30. Over here for 11:30, I have Elliott, Houston, Jones, Watlington, Monet, Mara, McMurray, McCorley, Norris, Phillips, Takari, Trailer, Troxel, Tucker, Walker, Woods, and Worley. I think there's one other person who's absent. She'll be with the 11:30 group. Okay, so what do you have to do when you show up and need a time? Again, you need to have all of your books. And remember, in your packet that you purchased from the bookstore, there is a nursing care plan book. Make sure that you bring that. If you did not purchase a nursing care plan book, you need to borrow one before Wednesday, okay? Because part of the assignment is to learn how to do a care plan, and the book is very important. So when you show up, make sure you have all of your books in your bag, especially your Wilkinson textbooks 1 and 2 and your nursing care plan book. But you really need to have all of them, okay? You need to have your homework, which are the Cornell notes that define the steps of a nursing care plan. I think that's about it. You need a black pen because we are going to write a care plan. And if you want to just do it on your computer, you can bring your laptop. Okay, so again, I will meet you either at 8:30 or 11:30 in room 106, and we will focus on doing the nursing care plan. Again, I highly encourage you to go to tutoring today. All right, that's all that I have. I didn't make a recording today. You can look at the video. I will give you the link to the video if you want to look at that again. But that's about it. All right, so what are your questions?
Can you you have week 9 hidden to the students right now?
Okay, thank you.
You're
Okay, all right. So after this session, I just want Miss Jones Watlington to stick around, or I'll just open up a special section just to talk to you. Everybody else, I'll see you on Wednesday.
Dr. Clay, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, so I know you're talking about the question, but so our main focus for the test, the three parts of the test are 4, 5, 7, and 21, correct?
Your main focus are care plans, communication, and Maslow.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right, so go ahead and you can sign off, and I want Ms. Jones Watlington just to stick back.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.